Want to make your Google Sheet more organized and user-friendly? A drop-down menu is the perfect solution. Today, I'll show you how to add a drop-down list in Google Sheets. In just a few clicks, let's get started. First, open your Google Sheet and click on the cell or range of cell where you want to drop down. Next, go to the top menu, click on Data, select Data Validation. A pop-up menu will appear. In the Data Validation menu, choose Drop-down as the criteria, then add the option you want in your list. For example, you can add yes or no or different categories for tracking. Click Done and that's it. Or as a direct method, you can just select one cell, type @drop-down, and automatic data validations will appear in the side where you can choose different options for tracking. Now, whenever you click on that cell, the drop-down menu will appear. Super easy, right? So if this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.